Wait. If you're planning to book a OnePlus 15, then this video is for you, and watch it till the end. Yesterday, OnePlus have launched their OnePlus 15, but they have made lots of upgrades here. Compared to OnePlus 13, they have also made lots of downgrades also. Yes, you have heard it right. Let me explain one by one clearly. Talking about the pricing in China, OnePlus 15 have launched much cheaper than compared to OnePlus 13 in China market, but it completely shifts when it comes to India. So OnePlus 15 costs more 4,000 rupees compared to OnePlus 13. So the pricing is 4,000 more. Another thing is that previously OnePlus 13 used to come with a Hasselblad collaboration, but there is no Hasselblad collaboration this year. And one more thing is that they have introduced Lumo technology, which is related to Oppo. Another thing is that compromise in terms of display. Previously, OnePlus 13 used to come with a 2K display, but they have switched it to a 1.5K display in a OnePlus 15, which is a major drawback for the people who consume content on the smartphone. You can compare the display side by side if you are going to any offline store, so you can see the major difference here. And talking about the camera, the aperture size as well as the sensor size is also smaller compared to OnePlus 13. So yeah, last year it was a 1.6 aperture, now it is 1.8 aperture. Talking about the sensor size, last year it was 1 by 1.43 and this year it is 1 by 1.56, which means low light photography will be affected and the telephoto lens is much worse compared to this. And talking about the sizes, last year it was 1 by 1.95 and this time it is 1 by 2.76, which is even more worse, and it is a major drawback in terms of camera department, because last year smartphone is better than this year's smartphone. So yeah. So another major drawback is in terms of vibration motor. Last year they used top notch vibration motor, but this time they have downgraded to low tier vibration motor, which feels like mid-range smartphone. I know, but it costs around 80k. What is the use of it? So yeah. And top creators like MKBHD also complaining in terms of camera. And another major thing is that he also faced lots of issues on his Twitter account. And another major thing is that compared to last year, the speaker size on the smartphone is also smaller, and yeah, it also compromises in terms of audio. Another major thing is that the NFC chip on the smartphone is also downgraded compared to previous year OnePlus flagship. And there are also many technical changes in terms of camera as well. And there are lots of upgrades in this smartphone, but they are quietly negligible because of the downgrades they have done. And if you are someone who is looking for an alternative for this smartphone, you should definitely opt for Oppo Find X7 as well as Vivo X300. And after those launch, you see the camera performance and then decide.